Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie with the 5.7 V8. This is, I believe it's called the symbol of protest, which is pretty darn cool. This one, I'm actually kind of looking at some options to replace my daily driver. This is definitely on that list. Canyon Lake over Bison Brown and Sea Salt interior. Oh man, look at this. Open pore wood trim. This one's got a lot of options on it. 83685 technology group, advanced safety group 2, bed utility group, Laramie level 2, the 5.7 e-torque, dual pane sunroof, the rear wheelhouse liners, the multifunction tailgate, the running boards, 4-corner air suspension. It's got everything. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, it's so nice. Heads-up display, of course. It's nice you have the lineage of Ram here, all the formulas and stuff that remain from when I first drove one of these generations in 2019. So obviously, for this, they got rid of the Hemi a couple years ago. And replaced it with the Hurricane Inline 6. Well, people kind of were up in arms. And obviously with the regulations kind of relaxing, Ram brought it back. And this was embraced with open arms. Now, all of the 5.7 or the Hemi Rams are fitted with the performance or sport exhaust, which means they sound, well, good. I just gotta wait for a gap in traffic here. Yes. So, I'll just say this. The 5.7 on paper is worse than the Hurricane. The Hurricane has more torque and is better at doing truck stuff. The people that buy the 5.7 do not care. I will just say that straight up. They don't care. The 5.7 is... it's just the character of the Ram brought back. That's exactly what it is. Obviously, all of the original Rams had the 5.7. Now it's back. The people want the sound of the 5.7. It's back, and even louder than before. Your drive modes are here. You got a bunch of them to go through: off-road, auto, snow, tow, and sport. Sport puts you into four-wheel drive auto, as well as disables traction control. Kind of cool. But what I love about these trucks is how comfortable they are. You know, I was in a Raptor R a couple hours ago, which is crazy. That's only like 50 grand more than this truck. So I was in that. It was comfortable, it was nice, and this is just as comfortable, if not more. It's not taxing to drive on the road. I mean, obviously this is America. Out in Britain or where was I, Rome, this is going to be too much vehicle. Here it's not. It's comfortable, it's livable, it's easy to drive. it's got a great sound to it. These things sound so good. Obviously, Ram is bringing back the muscle truck. That's all but confirmed. The TRX is back. Stellantis is in their heyday right now. They're bringing out some very, very cool products. I definitely took a wrong turn. Oops. You know what? I'm actually gonna shut this off so I can enjoy this a little bit and do some car shopping. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.